Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic field at a point along the equatorial line due to a magnetic dipole. So dipole, we know the meaning of what is meant by dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, that is called dipole. In first lesson we discussed the electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, that is called electric dipole. So that means positively charged Q and negatively charged minus Q separated by both charges separated by a small distance, that is called electric dipole. Here we are going to discuss about magnetic dipole. So magnet means north pole and south pole. So two poles, south pole and north pole, separated by a small distance, that is called magnetic dipole, right? Here we are going to discuss about magnetic field at a point. The point, the equatorial line due to a magnetic dipole. So first want to consider a bar magnet. So first bar magnet. So it is a bar magnet. Let N be the north pole and S be the south pole, and O is a geometrical center of the magnet. O is a geometrical center of the magnet. So there are two different type of length available. One is geometrical length and another one is magnetic length. Geometrical length is nothing but total length of the magnet, here to here. Total length of the magnet, that is called geometrical length. The next one is the distance between magnetic pole. This point is called south pole, magnetic south pole, and this is called magnetic north pole. So distance between two poles, that is called magnetic length. So total magnetic length 2L, that means S to N 2L and S to O L and O to N is also L, right? So next one is the magnetic field at a point C. Magnetic field at a point C at a distance R from the geometrical center. So distance R, this is geometrical center, right? So distance R from the geometrical center O of a bar magnet. So O of a bar magnet can be computed by keeping unit north pole at C. So next we will connect C and S. C and S and also C and N. So distance of O to N, distance of O to N is equal to L. Next one is the distance of O to C. O to C is equal to R. Next one is C to N is equal to R dash, because it is not same. OC is not equal to C of N. So Cn is equal to R dash, but same time Cn is equal to C of S. That means this distance. So both are same. So Cs is equal to R dash, right? So next this is north pole and this one is a south pole, right? So north pole and south pole. Next you want to extend north pole. So this is magnetic field of north pole. Magnetic field of north pole, vector quantity, and this is magnetic field of south pole, P of X. We consider only for this point C. So next diagram. So this is X axis and this one is minus X and Y, and this one is minus Y. So there are two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. So horizontal component means normally we use sin theta, and vertical component means cos theta. Sorry, vertical component sin theta and horizontal component cos theta. In Y axis y-axis plus y-axis bn minus y-axis b of s. So vertical sin theta, so here also sin theta, here cos theta, so here also cos theta. Next one is this line, magnetic field point line. So this is B of N and this is B of S, correct. So next, the magnetic field at C due to the north pole is, so magnetic field at C due to north pole, this point. So Bn vector is equal, so it is a simple Bn, it is a, maybe it is called a resultant vector. So resultant vector or resultant magnetic field. So Bn vector is equal Bn sin theta, sum of Bn sin theta plus here Bs, here Bn, so Bn cos theta. So Bn sin theta and the unit vector y, so y means j and x means I, so y, so j. Next one is Bn cos theta plus Bn cos theta Bn cos theta, here value minus x-axis. So minus x-axis means minus I, right? So same equation, Bn vector is equal, here plus, here also plus, so no problem. Bn sin theta j, here minus, here plus, so plus into minus minus B of n cos theta and I. So first one is from the north pole. So next one is in the magnetic field at C due to the south pole. So here due to the south pole point. So south pole, same equation. First one is a north pole, second one is a south pole. B of S vector is equal to same sum of Bs sin theta, here Bs cos theta, Bs sin theta, Bs cos theta. So first one is Bs sin theta minus y, so minus 1 means minus j. The next one is plus here Bs cos theta, so Bs cos theta, unit vector, what is a unit vector? Minus x, so minus x means minus I cap, unit vector, so you want to put cap and also cap, right? So the same equation, here plus, here minus, so minus Bs sin theta and unit vector j cap. Next plus into minus, so minus of Bs cos theta unit vector I cap. Okay. So next total, that means a net magnetic field at point C. Here net magnetic field, or we called resultant magnetic field. Resultant magnetic field or net magnetic field, B vector is equal to sum of north pole magnetic field and south pole magnetic field. P of S magnetic, this is north pole magnetic field, this one is a south pole magnetic field. B vector is equal to north pole magnetic field plus south pole magnetic field. B n vector plus B S vector. So B n vector already calculated, B n sin theta j cap minus B of n cos theta I cap plus the plus, right? So next b of s minus bs sin theta j cap minus b of s cos theta I cap. So plus and minus minus, plus and minus minus. So b n sin theta j cap minus b n cos theta I cap minus, here third one, b s sin theta j cap minus b s cos theta I cap. Here distance of Cn and also Cs equal, that means r dash and also r dash. So distance equal means magnetic field value also equal. Suppose distance different means magnetic field value also different, but in this case distance same. That means so Bn, magnetic field of north pole is equal to magnetic field of south pole. So from the above equation, Bn same. So Bn sin theta j cap minus Bn cos theta I cap minus Bs value is equal to Bn. Here see, Bs value is equal to Bn. So Bn sin theta j cap, Bn sin theta j cap, last Bs is equal to Bn. So Bn cos theta I cap. In first one Bn sin theta, third one Bn sin theta, j cap. Here first one positive, that means plus Bn sin theta j cap, third one minus Bn sin theta j cap. So plus and minus cancel. So balance value minus Bn cos theta minus Bn cos theta I cap minus Bn cos theta I cap. What is last one? Minus Bn cos theta I cap, same. So minus Bn cos theta I cap. Second one and fourth one, minus Bn cos theta I cap and minus Bn cos theta I cap. So both are same. So common minus and balance one, Bn cos theta I cap plus Bn cos theta I cap. So Bn cos theta I cap plus Bn cos theta I cap, 2 Bn cos theta I cap. So minus 2 Bn cos theta I cap. What is this? Is called a total magnetic field at a point C, or a resultant magnetic field at a point C. So next we want to substitute Bn value. So Bn value is equal to mu naught, we know very well, mu naught divided by 4 by Qm divided by R dash square. So dash from the point north pole to from the point C, total distance R dash. Here we use our Cn value R dash. Here also from the point south pole to C, value R dash. So here we use for R dash. So Bn is equal to mu naught divided by 4 by Qm divided by R dash. Substitute the value from the above equation. Minus 2 mu naught divided by 4 by Q of M R dash square. Next cos theta I cap. So next we want to calculate cos theta value, right? So from the above the diagram, north pole point only, north pole. So this is north pole, this point C, this is geometrical center O. So distance between geometrical center to north pole L, it makes some angle, the angle name theta, and the angle OC is R, and the angle CN is nothing but R dash. So hypotenuse value, hypotenuse squared is equal to, from the 10th lesson, hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So hypotenuse R dash squared is equal to opposite value. So opposite value R squared and adjacent value plus L squared. So R dash squared is equal to R squared plus L squared. R dash is equal to root of R dash plus L squared. R dash is equal R squared plus L squared whole power 1 by 2. So cos theta formula is simple, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent, so angle opposite, and this one is hypotenuse, so balance one is adjacent. So adjacent ON divided by hypotenuse value C of N is equal to, ON means LA and CN R dash. So R dash value we know very well, R squared plus L squared whole divided by whole by 1 by 2. So substitute R dash. So finally cos theta is equal to L divided by R squared plus L squared 1 by 2. So substitute the cos theta value from the last equation to nu naught divided by 4 by Q of M divided by R dash square, cos theta value L divided by R squared plus L squared power 1 by 2, and the unit vector I cap. Right, unit vector I cap. Next one, R dash squared. So R dash squared is equal to, already calculated, R dash squared is equal to R squared plus L squared. So sorry, here we want to put minus symbol. So minus 2 nu naught divided by 4 by Q M divided by R dash squared. R dash squared value R squared plus L squared, power 1 is present, so don't forget. So L divided by R squared plus L squared 1 by 2, and the unit vector I cap. And the next step, minus 2 nu naught divided by 4 by Q of M into L. Here R squared plus L squared, here also R squared plus L squared. So power only different. So simply write R squared plus L squared 1, first one power plus second one power 1 by 2 into unit vector L cap. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So minus 2 mu naught divided by 4 by Q M dot L divided by R squared plus L squared 3 by 2. Right. So what is meant by R? R is a distance between geometrical center to point C. Distance between geometrical center. This is geometrical center, right? So geometrical center to, from the point C, R. The next one is L. L is a distance between geometrical center to north pole point. So compare with R and L. Compare with R and L. L value is very small. So we don't consider L value. Balance 2 nu naught. That means R value very greater than, compare with L value. So 2 nu naught divided by 4 by Q M dot L divided by R square. So L value is very small, so balance 3 by 2 and the unit vector I cap. So here also I cap, sorry sometime I forgot the value. So I cap is equal, squared cancel, so balance value 2 nu naught divided by 4 by Q M dot L divided by R cube only and I cap. So next one is P value, magnetic dipole moment value. You know very well, magnetic dipole moment Bm is equal to 2 L dot Q of M. So 2 present, L present and Q of M also present. So minus equal minus 2 present. So sorry, minus P of M nu naught only balance, nu naught divided by 4 by R3 and the unit vector I. So next we want to remove unit vector. So next step, B vector is equal minus Bm vector simple. And first one is Bm only, but second one is Bm vector dot nu naught divided by 4 by R3. So this is total magnetic field value at the point C. So here, that means here magnetic field value, total magnetic field value B vector is equal to minus Pm vector dot nu naught divided by 4 by I think R3. It's a total magnetic field value. So it is a simple equation, students. So next class we will discuss another one topic. Thank you.